Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve the problem x squared minus 20x plus 100. In this video, we will walk you through a step-by-step solution to find the value of x that satisfies this equation. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. To solve the expression x squared minus 20x plus 100, we begin by examining the given quadratic expression. Notice that this is an example of a perfect square trinomial. In the first step, we rewrite x squared minus 20x plus 100 as the square of a binomial. We recognize that the first term, x squared, is the square of x, and the last term, 100, is the square of 10. The middle term, minus 20x, is twice the product of x and 10, which fits the pattern for a perfect square trinomial. Therefore, we rewrite the expression as the square of x minus 10. This transforms x squared minus 20x plus 100 into the simplified form x minus 10 all squared. In the second step, we take the simplified expression x minus 10 all squared and recognize that this already represents the most simplified form of the original quadratic expression x squared minus 20x plus 100. The problem has been altered from a quadratic trinomial to a single binomial squared, which reveals the equality x minus 10 all squared. This is the final step. There are no further simplifications needed because x minus 10 all squared is already in its simplest form. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.